Manipur convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar warns People's Movement Against Citizenship Amendment Bill will intensify in Manipur and other northeast states. Health Minister Langpolapam Jenta Kumar says National People's Party (NPP) will declare its stance on Citizenship Amendment Bill on November 29. Women leaders and vendors of Kwaraman markets under the initiative of Kokomi tried to storm State Tourism Department against holding of Manipur Sangai Festival 2019. Lecturers of 9 District Institute of Education diet in Manipur storm SART Directorate in Lamphel demanding equal pay as in other states. And the Mongbahanba forest, popularly known as Mahabali Umang in the heart of Imphal city, lays in a deplorable condition. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Manipur convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar has declared that People's Movement Against Citizenship Amendment Bill will intensify in Manipur and other northeast states. Speaking to media at AIM's office in Kwakaitil today, Dilip Kumar said that Union Minister Amit Shah's proposal for NRC updating in the entire country is welcomed, but the timing is inappropriate as the CAB issue is still pending. He maintained that base year for NRC updating in Manipur should be 1951. Dilip Kumar asserted that protests on CAP will be carried out in consolidation phase. He said mass discussions on the demerits of CAB will be held at an appropriate location and appeals to people to take part in the meeting. Dilip Kumar condemned the government for arresting protesters and appealed to stop the same as it will further the distance between the government and the public. The Manipur convener also demanded the government to dismiss all charges against Kokomi co-convener Pundremayum Abdullah.
Manipur Unity NRC updation Natragana creation Torkumatamda Beziar in 1951 Oigadavani. Union leaders in the Pongdok Bagi Matung in a common Beziar Moigadavani in Haibo from City Manipur Unity Sunya Yaroi, Hogi Beziar in 1951 Oigadavani, have a Manipur State Assembly Nasu, Mamangi 2018 Manipur People Bill 2018 da Yamayak Shang the Pikrabani. Aibo in a formal or in a Nasi Pawada, government side Tagi, man pick up Hamina Si Haidana invite Laitri, Aduna Maramoidana government, Paminadavani, Karigumada Shebi, Sigmatang, the Kanan in a sea, Masiga Chumaran in a sea, and a Formelo and a Hirakotaragati, Taram Wokani, Same Sadunan Lake.
Miam the protest of a part of the democratic system, ne, Adubu, democracy, Sally Beleva, democratically, Aquina, Kongjang Junction Mamatam, the Madura Saruk support or even Dukan Singh, Ponglon give a Dukan Singh, any kind of punishment or penalty, Togani had in a Paoma, Pangliva Sam Tuna, Langang Handopiu, Natrabadi, Miam the no Katok, Miam. Amuka hena victimized on the Honer Labadi, men peg Namadu to mean like Tokloy.
Health Minister Langpolapam Jenta Kumar has assured to declare National People's Party (NPP) stand on Citizenship Amendment Bill on November 29. He said the same to media on the sidelines of the valedictory event of Youth Festival cum Sports Meet of various colleges under Central Agriculture University held at the CAU Auditorium in Hiroshima today. Reaffirming his resolution taken before the Lok Sabha elections against CAB, Minister Jenta Kumar disclosed that NPP will hold its national executive meeting in Guwahati on November 29 and that the party national president cum Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma will announce the party's stand on the contentious bill after the meeting. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Jenta Kumar stressed the need to enhance the state's agriculture, horticulture and sericulture sectors. He called upon people to cultivate medicinal plants to boost the state's economy. Minister Jenta Kumar urged the students of CAU to use their knowledge appropriately. Winners of various competitions held during the meet were awarded on the occasion.
I personally, I saw your observation. डिप्रेशन की इंडिविजुअल लोग मखल ऑब्जर्वेशन पी है पार्टी की ओइब मखल की अखोई स्टैंड करिनो हाइब टारगेट राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट द अथॉरिटी अखोई सोइ नमके लोगनी बट वदिन मदि अनाउंसमेंट दो on 29 tangkon nga mapanda guwahati da National People's Party ki whole notice ki laiba अखोई लैरिबा कोई पार्टी वर्कर्स की मीटिंग में लै मदद प्रेसिडेंट ओरिबा तो मेघालय की चीफ मिनिस्टर कोनल सम्मान निमित्त लौथोकनी बको टिल देन आइना खुमबदा आइना मदु प्रोपो ओइदबा हाइtai.
Leaders of various women's associations and vendors of Koramban markets under the banner of Cocoa Meat today tried to storm the State Tourism Department against holding of the upcoming Sangai Festival 2019. They demanded for postponement of the festival since people in the state are apprehensive over threats to Manipur by the final outcome of Naga peace talks and Citizenship Amendment Bill. However, massive Manipur police personnel halted the protesters at DM College Gate opposite to 2nd Manipur Rifles. Later, police allowed 7-member team led by Ima El Memchogbi, Ima Shaki and Ima Radesana for half an hour meeting with Tourism Director W. Ibohal. They told the Tourism Director not to hold Sangai Festival celebrations, which begins on November 24, until safety of Manipur is guaranteed. Speaking to media, Ima El Memchogbi said that the Tourism Director has assured to discuss the matter as the event is being organized by a committee led by Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren.
Sangai Festival tawgadori matam akaknaba se ai khaktan nate committee amana sinbani committee sida akhoi lup yame chief minister nabau chairman haiba ko adugumba khara tawbani ai khoi chu khangje Manipur juji sarkar na tawriba bhab loi tai tawadabu khoi khara chahi amagi repsalubani na masi akhoi khana jaki ke haiba wafamdi phajana akhoi da pirai ko assembly ba chu hai ado chu khana jage wokhoi gi dikhana ge tawjage haiba khaktani aduga director na sumbam sa haibirai akhoi ima singsiga Delhi gi home minister duga phajana phem baki manung da lariba manung da loliba sa ima singsina phajana Manipur gi sida loliba sa masi amuktang wari sado aga satpiba yaraga di haiba sumbasu mana akhoi bu chu mana taram upaga loina na asisu haibirai.
On the other hand, Thanga MLA T. Robindro appeals to people of Manipur to take part in the upcoming Manipur Sangai Festival 2019, which commences on November 24, to promote peace and tourism in the state. He was speaking on the sidelines of a condolence meet for former Thanga MLA late Salam Ibohal, who also served as Power and RD Minister of Manipur. Thanga BJP Mandal organized a condolence meet at MLA Robindro's residence in Kairen Phabi today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of late Salam Ibohal and observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to his departed soul.
오이는 해버시 야본 탐주기 마음에 힘이 못한다 खेलना माना दबा कंडोक नियोगी अमान पुंसे लगंदा अमा तो में ही ना माना कन फरनी पर गईलो पजामयाम सिदी सफल दबा थालो लेलो पजामयाम कंडोक मसेना सिंग सिसना गईने माने कन फरनी अदुगा मालियम से तालो लेबा अपने संगा हैबा एविडेंस ने पाक लेबा सिस लेबा सासिसु माबु रापी नबा माबु कुगी लंदन मालियम सिंग के दमाना अकन बा.
Lecturers of District Institute of Education died in Manipur stormed SCERT Directorate in Lumphil today as a part of their ongoing demand for 6th pay commission. Speaking to media, Secretary of Diet Employees Association El Khrushchev stated that diet lecturers and non-teaching staff have been carrying out cease-work strike since November 13 as their proposal given to Directorate of State Council of Educational Research and Training SCERT has failed to reach the PIC. He condemned that diet lecturers in other states are given salary under the 6th pay commission, but the 1991 batch diet teachers of Manipur who were regularized in 2011 are still getting their salary under the 5th pay commission. He maintained that the association has been urging the authorities concerned to look into the matter since 2016, and even the education minister approved the proposal of diet lecturers last October 14. Khrushchev claimed that top officials of SCERT have failed to forward the proposal approved by the higher authority to the PIC of the Finance Department. It may be mentioned that exam results of Diploma in Elementary Education course conducted by DIET is still pending due to the ongoing cease work strike. Hence, TET appearing students are facing inconveniences.
Education Minister ne approval peer ba matung da hujiki khitang chayna ba man lay na thadok thasin je tawidab da ge amuke hena ko employees na saw da ge finance na PIC na ko ge tolo ba silepsar sanu ko ge administrative department da hanjan nanjan na sigumba yato ge sin je tawiranu haiba ge demand da ge ko na ngasi ge sigumba direct employee gi haibadi direct mapan ge employees na sigumba kongjang ji changjan duna hauji lari si ayamana moina principal ga director ka pe koi gi grade pe si manai haibagi kano ma lakpane khenari si amana state ki funding da chapani amana central sponsor scheme 90 into 10 da haibadi 90 amana center na puthokpa 10 amana state na puthokpani na kaigumba demand duna ya birali koi gi atopa funding da koi di every year budget si india government da thara ga moi gi PAB gi meeting da budget haidi sahi amagi tolop da lupa kya sangani program dana kayam tawguni haibagi lakan da tolop si ayamana igoi ge program chana ba kan da su lecture sing si 5400 oidragadi flight tong da su ya da bagi port amalai maram di hogi phangisina 4400 the great pay oibani na yam right pun oiba claim ni haina khanjaraga igoi association asugum move si tawjarakbani.
Teachers of Churachandpur Government College have extended solidarity to the ongoing indefinite cease work strike launched by Federation of Government College Teachers Association FEGOCTA by closing the main gate of the college. Member of Fegokta Churachandpur Government College Unit Wungza Mawi vehemently condemns the state government for not providing UGC 7th pay scale to the government college teachers, while the same has been provided to other government employees. He urged the authorities concerned to implement the pay scale in government colleges at the earliest.
The association have been approaching the government time and again for implementation of the pay scale. However, till today, even after repeated assurance, both verbal and written, given by the government, no implementation and no action is taken till today. And because of this, the Fegokta have initiated a cease work strike all over Manipur, and we, the teacher of Churachandpur Government College, have been supporting for the said cause.
Sanction of 58,85,176 rupees out of the total 25 crore rupees budget for the 105th Indian Science Congress held at Manipur University to two different firms in March 2018 has come to light through RTI. One RTI activist named K. Satyajit received information yesterday in response to his demand for utilization certificates of the Congress filed at the Central Public Information Officer of Manipur University in March of 2018. K. Satyajit demanded to know the amount of expenditure on sounds, lightings, decorations, stage, stalls, catering, etc. through the RTI. Information Commissioner of Central Information Commission Vanaja N. Sarna, during the hearing conducted via video conferencing today at NIC District Center Parampat, reportedly ordered the CPIO of Manipur University to respond to the remaining queries of the complainant at the earliest. In the wake of people's movements to preserve the natural ecosystem, Mongba Hanba Umang in the heart of Imphal city lays in a deplorable condition. Impact News reporter Bhakta Tarangbam and camera person P. Bobo bring you a special report. Frequent rise of Imphal river water level flooding Mongba Hanba Umang has led to mass decaying of trees in the forest. The state government seems to merely take measures to plant new saplings but no measures to save the trees from dying.
ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯎꯁꯦ ꯂꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯥꯁꯦ ꯆꯣꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯎꯁꯦ ꯇꯦꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯊꯥꯅꯦꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯀꯣ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯎ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯥꯂꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯥꯒꯗꯧꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯈꯟꯗꯕ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯀꯩꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯈꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯌꯣꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯨꯗꯦꯛꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯎꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯨꯗꯦꯛꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯁꯨꯡꯂꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯀꯪꯉꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ.
Historically significant Mongba Hanba Umang, the only forest located in the heart of the Imphal city since the time of Maharaja Garib Nibas, popularly known as King Pamhaiba, is on the verge of extinction. Not only the forest but even the monkeys inhabiting the forest are being endangered. Caretaker of Thakurbai Hanuman Thakur temple located in the forest, Pachaspati Mayum Ganeshwar Sharma, stated that frequent overflowing of the Imphal river inundates the forest by the river bank, due to which roots of large trees in the forest are decaying and new saplings are unable to thrive in the condition.
ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯥꯕꯤꯔꯗꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯪꯗꯅꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯤ ꯆꯪꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯥꯕꯤꯔꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯁꯦꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤ. ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯈꯥꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯝꯃ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ 40% ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯐꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ. ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯈꯥꯖꯟꯕꯤꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯎꯃꯪꯁꯦ ꯐꯒꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯤ. ꯃꯔꯛ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯅꯤꯁꯥ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ, ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯦꯀꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤꯅꯦꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯅꯥꯄꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯐꯥꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯎ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯀꯛꯊꯠꯄ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ. 15 ꯑꯥꯒꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕ 26 ꯖꯅꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏ. ꯎꯃꯪ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯣꯡꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ. ꯌꯣꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ, ꯌꯣꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯉꯥꯎꯁꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ, ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ.
Deterioration of Mongba Hanba Umang has led to decreased population of monkeys living in the forest. Many monkeys sneaking out from the dying forest in search of food have even disappeared. A local lamented that Mongba Hanba Umang once had many huge fruits-bearing trees but no more at present. He said that people were once reluctant to even ply on the road by the forest due to fear of monkey attacks, but situation has drastically changed at present.
Confused level akoida ngawbo level haitare masigi umangsina kanaba pirisi akoi imphal manungdadi masigi umangsina 180% de dum kanaba piramgani na khale kanana di yengsalin birino mahabli umangse kanana mapuno haibudu akoi simasu yam kanna hangninge adubu parjagi mapudi government ni government nasu mieng sanghaning haitare mahabli sida mamang da su ngasida na sahi ahumuki mamang da sida mangam leye mangsigi nakanda thong sani na tarome ai isasu matamdu da counselor oijari haitare ko moina sida thong saduni toga Yantha toy toromba mamangi matamdo Imphal manungda mamangi paiba government na green city na kanna slogan lawu matam ne environment gaina tawu matamdu da akhoi sahi akhoi dagi kampa ma hanba u akhoi chahau ka bung gaile yanthat ke na adungi plan torom bu laibok pha ba ga thabak subi ni lakpi be chinau kin su environment ta ngaujewa kangu oremba dagi sayen ba khana ba leitana thong dubudi sabi gidre.
People in the area urge the authorities concerned not to ignore Mongba Hanba Umang but to take real measures to preserve the forest. They stress the need to nurture the forest and its monkeys.
5 feet Pogi Wangba Zali question by Masaraga, Udo Taram Dragadi, Yongsina, Ano what Hava, Ugudima Fuk to Eva, Natraga another Nungdang, Nungdang do Tarmaga Zali do not Kupsalam Tap. The check Naga Chanba or Ashidi Yong Dunum Sangaga, Yongs and La Mi Gumanina, Mawanda Ngamdavlete, Adu Masi, Gomena to Biragadi, Hena Mahiyangani, Maruina Quay, Yong the Kanaba, Yongsi, Mangangumsi, Yongsi Kansi, environment Kansiagadi, Aquina Tawamatamda, Pit Manga Tranga Lamna Hausu, Uzo Umba, Konganguma. Mama adugi khala lapthoga mu breed item khara misu yongsu hingnabagi mongda adubaina tawhaninge.
Mongba Hanba Umang, popularly known as Mahabali Umang, located right in the heart of the Imphal city, is deteriorating day by day, leading to decreased population of monkeys living in the forest. Such unfortunate situation demands the authorities concerned to take necessary measures to preserve the historically significant Mongba Hanba Umang. With input from camera person P. Bobo and reporter Bhakta Tarangbam, this is Joyce Usham, Impact News, Imphal. Well, moving ahead, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on bill grant of MMWO President Phunremayum Abdullah. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. MMWO President Phunremayum Abdullah, who was arrested recently by Porampad Police Station for his alleged involvement in a brawl, was granted bail on 30,000 rupees SPR bond. Abdullah was produced before Chief Judicial Magistrate Ningthaujam Lanleima of Imphal East Court in Lamphel this morning. Abdullah's lawyer pleaded for bail grant. Considering the plea, CJM Lanleima granted bail to Abdullah on 30,000 rupees SPR bond and one government employee as a surety bond. Released, Phunremayum Abdullah was garlanded and given a rousing welcome by many people of the Meitei Pangal community. Speaking to media, Abdullah claimed that his arrest was plotted by the government along with some individuals to sideline the initiatives of Kokomi and Manpack. He asserted that neither MMWO nor he will be discouraged by such act. Abdullah demanded those involved in the brawl to clarify with MMWO at the earliest.
Nongmai pai ba mioi singa dubuna ai office la phabi drakan da government na ngasi maran suai le ai jum da la kan da ai khoi da ai bu phubi re ai gi jum kai pochai thugai re ba atra ai gona khatna ba hobi re ba madu sing no free hand da government tha dok pira kan da jum du jum bu oi ri ba singa du phabi ba se masinga da masana ta ba ne hai ta re ai di kari ai di government na ngasi siliba policy amusum bunda singa du da hire to plan to pi chawro ora ba mayek la ra ba ai khutam changdam ama ko ina thoklak pra hai ba ne ngasi media gi mang thamjeng.
Security has tightened in the state ahead of the upcoming Sangai Festival on November 24. As part of the security measures, a team of Imphal West District Police conducted cordon and search operation at various places of Imphal City today. The team, led by OCP Achauba under the supervision of Imphal West SP K Meghachandra, carried out verification drive from 7 to 8 a.m. at Pauna Bazar area and picked up 50 individuals without proper identification proofs. The team further carried out cordon and search operations at Polo Ground and Alu Gali areas from 8 to 9 a.m. and picked up 50 people. They were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Imphal East Commando team also carried out door-to-door search operations at Mahabali Kabui village in Imphal East district this morning from 7:05 a.m. till 8:10 a.m. The team, comprising of Imphal East District Police Additional SP Thangkochon Haukip, DSO KH Herojit and OC Inspector Pulchan, verified 60 permanent households and 250 rental households. No one was arrested during the drive. Bishnupur District Police also carried out cordon and search operations at various places of the district this morning from 5 a.m. till 6:30 a.m. The police team, led by Bishnupur District Commando OC, carried out search drives at Kaibul Thana Leirak, Mathak Mayum Leirak, Bamun Leirak and Haiga Leirak and picked up 6 individuals without proper identification proofs, including 2 bailouts of the proscribed Prepark and UNLF. They were handed over to Kaibul Police Station for further verifications. Thaubal Police Commando team along with women police also conducted door-to-door operations at Langathel Maninglaikai in Thaubal district today. Altogether, 280 people of 80 households were verified in the operation. No one was arrested. Suspected insurgents blank fired at Kachibung OP under Molcham Police Station in Chandel district at around 5:45 a.m. today. Impact News sources said that Kachibung OP under 19 Assam Rifles is located near Poilin village, around 5 km away from Shelon village. Assam Rifles reportedly counter-blank fired the miscreants. There is no report of any casualty. Meanwhile, RPF and MNPF in a joint press release has claimed that the attack was a joint operation of Revolutionary People's Front, RPF's Red Army, People's Liberation Army and Manipur Naga People's Front. Thoubal District Police personnel, officers and VDF held a Sainik Sammelan at Thoubal District Headquarters today. DIG Range 2 Khabib graced the event. Lectures, sensitization and awareness programs marked the event. Women Action for Development, in a press release, strongly condemned the woman personnel of 12 Assam Rifles, Kodeng Thabi, who allegedly abused a woman from M. Chanau village physically and sexually on November 18. Body of the 5-year-old girl who fell in the Imphal River at Kairang Maninglaikai on November 17 remains untraceable. The minor is Moirang Tim Tracy, daughter of Doreen from Kurai Chaitabi Leirak. She fell in the river while playing with her friends at her grandmother's house at Kairang Maninglaikai at around 4 p.m. NDRF and fire service personnel along with people of the locality and club members are still looking out for her.
Angang si nahan tang taratret ki pung mari adai de ki mang hi burung asi ki mangani chujale yam nuai ti lekai me am sang dana de koi ki SDRF adi NDRF leiba phayar gi kari gi yam wan hone bi government side gi tau the bi yam wan hone de gi koi gi muslim lom gi mateng pang mayam tau dana hone ri kana gumna koi gi toren khunung seida tor pa khopa thengna ba yawi ra gati manang na ko police station da natraga ini amada koi pau pi bi abon pau pi bi yu haina mayang pham da lekai chi mo silaga nonglum khorum janu hajari hen ba moi thadra kani habi ge koi da paula je koi na juma khata na
Training cum orientation program for school safety and security measures under the Department of Education, School, Government of Manipur was held in Jiribam today. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch and District Branch jointly organized the event at Lal Pani Government High School. Resource persons stressed on measures to be taken in times of natural disasters to the attending teachers and students. Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, Churachandpur distributed poultry to beneficiaries under National Livelihood Mission today. 30 chicks each were distributed to 270 beneficiaries out of the total 450 beneficiaries in the district on the occasion. The department has assured to distribute the same to the remaining beneficiaries in the near future. Now the sports news. Gopal Deva Kangkhut Yai School will face Thangmaiban Kangkhut in the finals of Super League Kang tournament of the 5th Sri Sri Gopal Deva Kang tournament in above 60-year category. In the second semi-final of the Kang League played today, Thangmaiban Kangkhut beat Yai School Kangkhut by 21-19 goals. 7 Kangkhuts from various parts of the state competed in the Super League Kang tournament organized by Yai School Kangkhut. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manpack convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar warns People's Movement Against Citizenship Amendment Bill will intensify in Manipur and other northeast states. Health Minister Langpulapam Kumar says National People's Party NPP will declare its stance on Citizenship Amendment Bill on November 29. Women leaders and vendors of Karaman markets under the initiative of Coco Me try to storm State Tourism Department against holding of Manipur Sangai Festival 2019. Lecturers of 9 District Institute of Education diet in Manipur storm SERT Directorate in Lumphel demanding equal pay as in other states. And the Mongba Hanba forest, popularly known as Mahabali Umang in the heart of Imphal city, lays in a deplorable condition.